everybody, it's day 12, so we are halfway through my calendar when we opened this one. So, let me have a look. Oh, so in the Merry Mischief today, there's the ribbon. So, again, no jigsaw, just the ribbon. So I could glue them now and hang them up, but I won't do it. I will give the ribbon to my daughter because I know she can craft with it. She's very creative. And yeah, so again, no jigsaw in here, but I guess tomorrow, because the first side isn't done, and we can start here tomorrow, and I guess there will be jigsaws again. Okay, that was number 1. Number 2, so number 12. Okay, let's have a look. It's a number. So it can't be ice skating. The time is over. But it is a toughie. I will eat the paper again because it's a unspoken rule. You eat the paper because you can't remove it. And here on the pieces, yeah, we will see what it is. I don't know. So, okay. And I want to thank you all for all the nice comments you left in the last days on my videos, on the advent calendar and on the haul video and all this. I really do appreciate it. I'm very happy about every comment. So thank you very much. And now I will do the jigsaws. Okay, so as you can see, we've got shops or something here, and it barely fits on my tablet. So I know where this goes because it goes here. Look at that. Here, this should be here. So I will put you up again, and then we will connect it. Remove the rubbish. Don't know if I can. That's a bad idea, but I'm going with it. Okay, look at that. So, okay. It's now now it looks like, yes. I don't know what this is. Maybe those are flats or shops or something, but we will figure it out. Okay, so that's it for me for today. Thank you very much for watching. If you want to make me a present, just click the like button. That's enough for me. Thank you very much. Bye bye.